guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome back to the upgraded version of my channel. Yeah, I know I've been gone for like a hot minute, but today we are starting with a brand new vibes, brand new content, and a brand new me. This isn't just a comeback, this is a revamp extravaganza. Yeah, and guess what? You get to sit on the front row to all the behind the scenes action. Let's go. So here's the tea. The content I made before, yeah, they were like wearing shoes that don't fit you because they are cute but very, very uncomfortable. Do not judge me because I was lost, I was confused, and maybe trying a bit too hard to be someone I'm not. But guess what? We're hitting the reset button. Boom! So this channel is a cozy, real and fun channel you can find on the whole internet because I'm bringing you along my personal growth journey, business adventures, cooking fails. Oops, did I just say cooking fails? I mean cooking wins, and just my day-to-day life. Yeah. We are talking inspiration, we're talking fun, we're talking happiness, and we're talking chaos. So let's grow, let's learn, and let's glow up together. Alright, let's get into the juicy stuff. Here's what I have cooked up for this channel revamp. New content, yay! We're talking about cooking vlogs, entrepreneurship hustle, skincare glow ups, lifestyle hacks, entertainment. Okay, I think I'm going to switch now because I want to show you guys my playlist. Yeah, I also dived into my playlist and I organized everything. Like, there's no need for you guys to like go over and start scrolling and searching for video in chaos. I have arranged all my videos, both my old videos and my new videos would all be arranged in my playlist. You can find them and it'll be very easy for you to find them. Do not forget this. Still go watch my old videos. Do not neglect my old videos because they are packed in with fun, enjoyment, entertainment. Even if it's a little bit cringy, but we love it. So guys, yeah, I also dived into my intro and my outro. Will I be showing this in this video? I don't think so. I might show it in this video, I might not. But if I show it, how do you like it? Do I look pretty? Is it pretty? Like, is it pretty? Do you like it? Okay, comment down below if you like. Oh yeah, have you seen my banner, guys? Have you seen my banner? They are so gorgeous. Oh god, they are so gorgeous. If you haven't seen it yet, pause this video and go watch it. I'll wait for you. Okay, you're back. Good. Let's keep going. Let's talk serious business now. I used to post 3 times a week earlier when I started YouTube. I used to like want to post 3 times a week to the extent that I started posting 3 times a week, thinking I was a superhero. But in reality, girl, I was a master of procrastination. In fact, I am the leader of procrastinators. I was. Now I'm keeping it real. I'm posting once in a week, which is every Friday of every week. You know, so I can be consistent and then you can get good quality videos. It's a win-win. Like a win-win, right? So my goals for this new channel, every single video, I need 4,000 to 5,000 views. On each video, I'll start posting. I'm starting from this one. You guys, tell your friends to tell their friends that Peckie is back. Let's make this channel a party and let's have fun together. Alright, if you're excited as I am of this rebrand and of this revamp, let me know what kind of content you'd like to see next. Is it skincare? Is it cooking fails? Is it entertainment? Yeah, lifestyle? Is it business tip? Spill it all. Tell me whatever you want me to post on this channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. like I said earlier, comment. Support is free and love is priceless. Yes. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's grow, let's glow, let's mess up together. Yeah, that's what we want to see. So see you next Friday. Bye. I can't wait to see you.